Hi there, my friend Errol Muller here, and welcome to another video. In this specific video, I will show you how to start an affiliate marketing website. Now, who am I? My name is Errol Muller. I am actually the owner and the founder of this business called Empire Digest. Now, what you are about to learn in this video, I'm going to try and do a step-by-step tutorial video for you in order to share with you how you can build a long-term, sustainable affiliate marketing website online. Now, you need no product. This is just my business. What I'm going to share with you. So Empire Digest is literally a, how can I put it? This is an affiliate marketing website. And I'm going to share something with you that's called E-Stage and how quickly you can build yourself an affiliate marketing website in order to generate money for you. Now, me personally, this specific website, Empire Digest, head over to Empire Digest. I want you to click the show me how to make money button. As soon as you click the show me how to make money button, it will bring you over to a page that looks like this at the time of me shooting this video. Register for this webinar. It's a live event that happens once a week, every Monday, and it's a live video. So by the time you are watching this video, the date here at the bottom and the time, everything will change. This is a live stream, like I said, a live event every Monday, and it's fresh. We will timestamp it. The host of this specific live event, his name is Vic Stryshoes, and I've been following him since the year 2015. Now, let me go back to, so what you'll do is you'll head over to, let me quickly show you, head over to empiredigest.com. I will also leave a link in the description below this video. Click the show me how to make money button, and then you can click yes, I want in. Now, what does this consist of? It says here the secret affiliate system no one is talking about is currently making me over $300,000 per month. Now, this is for Vic alone, and it's on complete autopilot. And what you'll do is you'll click the yes I want in, enter your email, enter your name, make sure it's your correct email, because we're going to send you information in order for you to actually make sure that you register for this live event happening once a week, and that you can log in order to get the information that you require. Now, this specific model that I just shared with you and that I'm about to share with you, this is what I'm currently applying in my business. This is an affiliate marketing website that generates money for me during the day, while I'm sleeping, while I'm working, while I'm jogging, while I'm exercising, while I'm boxing, while I'm cycling. It doesn't really matter. Now, you are more than welcome to scroll along, check out the website, check out the webinars, the blog, the live, the courses, tools. In actual fact, under courses, just want to share something quickly with you. You are more than welcome to watch this 7 steps for freedom, 7 steps to freedom. This course in itself, I can easily, if I really wanted to, sell that course for $500 to $1,000, if not more, easily. And you can get access to this course for absolutely free. All you have to do is click the watch training. You'll see it's unlocked. All these other courses are locked. There's a few other ones that are unlocked that you can watch as well for free. And then if you want to join our VIP club, click the join VIP button, and then subscribe to our VIP Inner Circle, where you will get very, very exclusive information, very insider, call it the Inner Circle information, in order to help you to generate money online, to make money online, because that's what an affiliate marketing website is all about. Now, what you're seeing now is a project of something called E-Stage. So E-Stage is what we use. So if you've searched around and you've come across Wix, WordPress, there's numerous other website builders out there. And if you want them to create a professional looking website, a website that looks like this, it will easily cost you $30,000 to $100,000 in order for them to create a professionally looking website similar to this one that you are looking at right now. And this one did not cost me an arm or a leg. I can promise you that. So in actual fact, when I started this specific builder, in order to get access to E-Stage and to get my account with the E-Stage, I think back then it cost me like $500. and I'm not exactly sure what it costs now. So what I do suggest is follow the registration page, register for the webinar. As soon as you become part of the affiliate business system, you will go through an entire process that will show you how to set up your affiliate marketing website within 7 days or less in order for you to start generating money within 7 days or less if you follow step by step what you need to do. Now, I'm already an insider. I've done it. This is like I said, this is the product of eStage that I've created here, and this is the model for the affiliate marketing website. Now, I just want to show you a few quick things. So this is what the back office looks like when you log in, and then you can click the open eStage. You can open up the eStage. So we call it, this is more like a hub. Not really a website, it's more like a hub. These are just some of my projects, but let's head over to Empire Digest. Now, it's so easy. It's like a drag and drop system. Literally, you go, you build, there's templates for you to select from in order for you to set up your specific type of niche. Now, an affiliate marketing website, I want you to think about this for a second. You can do affiliate marketing basically in any niche, whether it be health and fitness, whether you want to sell dog food, maybe you do some bike riding or motorcycle riding, and you want to generate that into affiliate income. You can literally approach businesses, approach other companies and say, listen, this is my passion. For instance, I like riding motorcycles, off-road, enduro, and I've got a lot of people that I communicate with. So in order, then you can literally start yourself a website, and on that website, you can have affiliate links selling tires, selling parts, selling motors, selling motorcycles, whatever. And then every time somebody clicks on your link and they make a purchase through your link, you get a commission on that. Health and fitness, same thing. Dog food, same thing. Trainings, whatever your passion is in life, you can direct that passion and start making money with your passion online through affiliate links. And that's what affiliate marketing is all about. So what you want to do is, then again, just let me quickly share something with you. On Empire Digest, just a Forex tab alone. If you head over to Forex tab, you get Forex trading robots, Forex trading brokers, Forex VPS services, best Forex charting software. Now, every single link that you will go into is an affiliate link. And yes, I do get a commission from it because this is an affiliate marketing website. I share my knowledge with individuals or you yourself watching this video, and I make sure that, and I'll tell you, and I say to you, this is my recommended product. This is my experience. My passion has always been Forex trading. I've done it for nearly 9 years. Actually, Forex trading and making money online, building multiple sources of income. That's what you have to keep in mind. If you go search all the wealthiest individuals in the world, all of them have multiple sources of income. Now, imagine for a second if you had a business like this, a website like this, where every single link is an affiliate link to multiple different types of products, different niches in the market, all coming to your hub, generating multiple sources of income for you. That is what it's all about. Then you'll start making money right throughout the day. Now, this specific page, the Forex Trading Robots page, makes me over $2,000 a month, sometimes less, sometimes more. It just depends on how the traffic is actually visiting my specific links, etc., etc. And what I'm sharing with you on this, I'm not just, you'll see all my previous or all my other review videos on my YouTube channel. Sorry, I got distracted there for a little moment. So on my YouTube channel, you will see that when I share something with you, I share something with you based on my knowledge that I've built up over the years and things that I've done myself. And that is the reason for me doing a lot of reviews based on Forex trading robots and generating money online, generating an income online. So this is just one source so all of these robots are multiple sources of income. And like I say, just this page alone generates me $2,000, $1,500, $2,500 a month just on this specific page alone, just Forex trading alone. That's not talking about anything else that is on this website. And that is the thinking that I want to get across to you to show you the power of having an affiliate marketing website. Okay, so let me quickly show you the ease of building an affiliate marketing website with eStage. Now, before we continue, please give this video a like, please give it a thumbs up. And the reason I'm asking you to do that is I want this video to rank as quickly and as high as possible within the search engines. You can also leave me a comment below this video if you feel that I am not sharing something legit with you or whatever it might be. Leave me your thoughts, your comments in the description below. If you want to argue with me, 100%, that's also fine. So eStage Builder. So you can select, once you are part of eStage, you can select the different templates that you want. So this is the template, the current template that I've chosen. And this is my preferred look and feel that I want for my affiliate website. Now you can change everything. You can, let's say for instance, let's go to, I want to get something with a lot of buttons on it. So let's go to, for instance, courses, for example. I'm going to head over to the courses page, and then once on the courses page, now remember this is all inside the builder that you will get access to once you start following through the affiliate business system. When you actually join affiliate business system, this will be one of the processes, is in order for you to create an account with eStage, in order to start creating and setting up your affiliate marketing website. So the ease of using it, look at this. So this is also the courses page, is something that you will get an option. It's an option for you. It's something that you'll get access to while going through the system. And then just look at this. If you click on button, on the button, you've got so many settings that you can play with. You can select the click action. Where must it go to? You can select the drop shadow. You can change whatever you need to change. By the time of you watching this video, it might look difficult. I can tell you now, I've had a WordPress website before, I've had a free Wix website before, and none of the website builders out there I've come across that is this simple. It's literally, you can do a drag and a drop. I'm going to create a new page quickly. Add and manage pages. I'm going to add a blank page, and I'm going to call this test page. I'm going to create under all pages. I'll delete this page when I'm done. I'll just say add page now, and look at how quickly you can add a page. So that's courses. Let's quickly drop down. Here's all my pages. I'm looking for the test page that I've literally just created, test page, and there we go. We are on the test page. Now I've already set up my header, which will get standard, and then you can just select your menu links. And then let me show you how easy it is to build something. I'm just going to build a simple product layout for you. So let's go to blocks. You click on blocks, then you can select an alert bar. You can enter or drag and drop that. You can select a hero section. Let me show you the hero section quickly. So let's click on hero, drag and drop that. And then once that is done, the nav bar block already exists. Are you sure you want to replace? Now, I don't want to replace it because I'm just playing around. So that is basically what it looks like. And then you can select whatever you want to do. You can change the title. You can type check out my product at Empire Digest. And then once that is done, that is what you want, then you can edit this text as well. Let's say text, and then you can enter your email address. Now this is forms that you can create or link to your autoresponder. And then on this button, let me show you how easy it is to edit this button as well. You literally just head over to where it says form, click on the button, and then on the button you can select what do you want the button to do. Form button actions, you want it to redirect to a certain link, and then once that is done, you click on the redirect drop down, you select the page, and then you can select which page you want it to go to. Or you can click on the redirect and you can add a link, a specific link, which will be your affiliate link that you want people to go to. So when they click on the button, it will take them to through your affiliate link to the product that they are actually looking for. And then on the picture, that's a little picture of a lady, and let me show you how easy it is to change the picture. On the picture, you can just click the picture, you can say upload image. I'm just going to go into images quickly. Let's click images, and you can, for instance, let's use this picture. I've clicked on that picture, insert asset, and there we go. Instantly it's changed it like that. So just right there in under 5 minutes, I've basically created a very simple, very basic sales presentation page, call it like that, or a landing page in order for people to opt in and then go through the process or go to your affiliate link, the product that they're actually searching for. And that's how quick and simple it is. And if you want to create one page like I did with the Forex page, you can take this and you want to have multiple different products on one page. Let me show you how easy it is just to copy and paste. So you select the flex wrapper, which is this entire section right here. And then once you've selected it, let's leave the arrow. I just want to select the flex wrapper. Then you go over to the right section, right hand, and you click copy. As soon as you've clicked copy, look at that. It creates an exact duplicate of your selection, your template that you've created right here. Then you can just go ahead and change the title again, change whatever you want to change on it, change the picture, and then you've got two products, two sources of income coming through your links on one page. And that is how simple it is. That's just a very basic presentation of how to create an affiliate marketing website with eStage. And how do you get access to eStage? Literally, just go over to Empire Digest, which will bring you to the homepage. Click the Show Me How to Make Money button. By the time of you watching this video, this will be what the page looks like. You click the Yes, I Want In, and then make sure you register for this live event. And it's not a webinar where it's basically pre-recorded. It's a live event happening. It's timestamped. People will be commenting. You can leave your comments, ask your questions, whatever you want to do. So that's just a very, very basic model. So if you are interested in this, just leave me a comment below this video. Give me your thoughts. I would like to know, how do you feel about this? Like, do you think it's legit? Not? Do you think it's easy? It's simple? My personal opinion, I've never come across anything that is this simple to build an affiliate marketing hub, call it like that. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate you. May you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, happy, healthy, successful, financially successful life going forward. And I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.